All right, team, let's dive into our quarterly project reviews. We've got four major AI initiatives to discuss. Who wants to start?
I can kick things off with the real estate prediction model.
Go for it.
So we've made significant progress with the scikit-learn implementation. Check out these regression plots.
Those are some clean correlations. What features ended up being most predictive?
That's the interesting part. Square footage and location were obvious, but we found some surprising correlations with local business density and public transport proximity.
What about overfitting? Real estate data can be pretty noisy.
Valid concern. We implemented cross-validation and regularization techniques. Here are our accuracy scores across different neighborhoods.
85% accuracy? That's impressive.
Thanks. Though we're still working on edge cases, like how do you properly value a house with a helicopter pad?
All right, who's next? Maria, how's the MNIST project coming along?
Our CNN is absolutely crushing it. We've hit 99% accuracy on digit recognition.
Seriously, what's your architecture look like?
3 convolutional layers, max pooling, and dropout to prevent overfitting. But here's the cool part. We implemented data augmentation with rotation and noise.
Any issues with processing time?
Initially, yes, but we optimized the batch size and implemented GPU acceleration. Now it's running smoothly, even on larger data sets.
Excellent. Tom, you're up with the Chatbot project.
Well, it's been interesting. NLP is tricky business. Let's just say our first prototype had some colorful responses. We've refined the training data now, implemented better intent recognition, and added sentiment analysis.
Show us a demo?
Watch this. Hey bot, can you explain what machine learning is? Machine learning is like teaching a computer to learn from examples, similar to how humans learn from experience. Want me to elaborate on any specific aspect?
Natural language generation has improved.
Yeah, but context handling is still our biggest challenge. Sometimes it forgets previous parts of the conversation.
Keep at it. Now, last but not least, the financial anomaly detection project. This one's mine. We're using a combination of supervised and unsupervised learning to spot potential fraud and unusual market behavior.
Those patterns look fascinating. What's your false positive rate?
That's been the trickiest part. We initially had too many false alarms, but by implementing a 2-stage verification system and adjusting our threshold parameters—
Hold up, what's that spike in the red line?
good catch. That's actually when we caught a real anomaly, a series of suspicious transactions that turned out to be legitimate but unusual. Perfect example of why we need human verification in the loop.
Speaking of which, have you considered combining my NLP work with your anomaly detection? Could help with processing those verification reports.
That's brilliant, Tom. Let's discuss that offline.
I love where all these projects are heading. But can we talk about deployment timelines?
Actually, that's a perfect segue into our next meeting. But before we wrap up, great work, everyone. These projects are pushing the boundaries of what we can do with AI.
Even if some of our chatbot's early responses were a bit unexpected.
Especially then. Sometimes the best innovations come from our biggest challenges.
Hey, want to grab coffee? I've got some ideas about applying CNN techniques to your real estate images.
Definitely. Tom, Sarah, want to join? We could brainstorm that NLP anomaly detection integration.
Count me in.
Let's unlock some possibilities with our combined expertise.